Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the Chef's Kitchen.
I'm your host, Nicole Gaffney, and we're here today with St. Luke's University Health Network. And joining me in the kitchen today is Chef Lee Chizmar of Mr. Lee's Noodle House, along with Dr. Holly Warholic.
Hi.
Welcome. What are we making today?
All right, so today we're gonna do a mushroom ramen. All right, so
Sounds
the
good.
first thing we're gonna do is the shiitakes. The way that you clean them is you actually peel the stem out. And when you're done, we're gonna go ahead and just throw the stems right into our broth. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my julienne onions. I'm gonna stir this up. I have a leek here. I'm gonna go ahead and julienne.
And tell me, what is your specialty at St. Luke's?
So I'm a physician of obstetrics and gynecology at St. Luke's. So we deliver babies and we take care of women through all stages of life, from adolescence through getting pregnant, having babies, and then through menopause.
Nice.
Next, I have a piece of lemongrass here too. So one of the things that we'll do is just kind of rough it up, and that helps get the flavor out. All right, we've sweated this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some water right to this. All right. So I also added my shiitake mushrooms here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my maitake mushrooms to it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little soy sauce to this. My little cherry vinegar here. This is sesame oil. And then if you guys wanna pass over our GGS
Smell
there.
that soy already.
The last component here, I always like to add a little bit of thyme. I'm just slicing up some scallions. And then we're pretty much ready to start doing the noodles.
Okay.
And we're gonna poach oat egg as a garnish. So I have kombu, and then here, these are actually bonito flakes. We have our tare over here. So this is basically your flavor packet for your ramen. For this, you can literally take these mushrooms, mince them up, and that is what gives us this. We're just gonna put some compartments.
Let's get in here. It looks
Right.
amazing. Wow. You would never even know that's vegetarian.
To see today's recipe, log on to chefskitchen.tv.